Sa puntong ito, hingan po natin ang reaksyon si Kris Aquino kaugnay sa whole departure order na hiniling ng kampo ni James Yap at sa iba pang issue sa pagitan nila ng kanyang dating mister. Nasa Quezon City para kapanayamin live si Kris Aquino ang ating kasamahang si Jessica Soho. Jessica.
Yes, Mel, di ko na patatagalin pa. We have here Kris with her sisters, Pinky, Bolsy, and Viel. Kris, very quickly, nag-file ng hold departure order petition ang iyong ex-husband, si James Yap. Anong reaction mo dito?
Kagaya na sinabi ng abogado ko, what's the basis? Alam ko rin na nilabag nila yung rule na dapat from the time you file, dapat na 3 days bago malagay sa korte. 2 days lang eh. And hindi ko talaga maintindihan, Jessica, kung bakit. Dahil siya naman ang nabigyan nung kaming may temporary protection order, siya yung may kaso. Kami yung victims.
December 3 last year, ayon sa iyong petisyon, Mr. Yap acted as if he was entitled to his matrimonial rights and could gain carnal knowledge of petitioner referring to you, and meron ding quote-unquote unwelcomed attempts at physical intimacy. I'm quoting from your petition for the TPO. You never mentioned the word rape,
yes.
But curiously, si James yesterday in his press con, he mentioned na nasasaktan siya na parang lumalabas daw na siya isang rapist. That is his own words.
Yes.
That didn't come from me. Anong reaction mo doon?
Kasi nanggaling nga sa kanya eh. Siya nagsabi noon, hindi ako.
Okay.
I don't understand kung he read it, alam niya. I never said rape. And I don't know kung bakit niya ganun in-interpret. And, di ba, parang nasabi naman niya eh, Jessica, na naka-move on na daw siya, wala daw spark, hindi siya interesado, biro lang daw yon. I'm sorry to say that as far as my child was concerned, hindi yun biro.
He said na nagbibiro lang daw siya, and then kasi ayaw daw siyang i-kiss ni Bimbi, so he was hoping na pag kinis ka niya ay baka ma-convince niya yung anak mo to kiss him back. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Anong klaseng ama ang gustong gawin yan sa anak niya? Ate, I think you can be the one, we can be the best person to say na kung anong klaseng pagpapalaki ang sinusubukan kong gawin for Bim, and how much I try to teach him what is right and what's wrong.
Bolsy.
Alam mo, Jessica, I was witness to the times na sinasabihan ni Kris si Bimbi na, no, Bim, don't say that about your papa. No, don't, kasi alam mo, umaabot kay Kris na sa isang lugar, sa isang gathering, sasabihin sa isang bata na wala ng mama na, me, I have a papa, but I hate my papa. And I could really, I was witness to Kris telling Bim, don't say you hate your papa. No, don't do that. Tapos, sumali rin ako dun sa usapan na, yes, Bim, you know, your papa is a good basketball player and he's so sikat. He has many fans. Many people like him. So don't say that. Tapos, hindi parang mahirap ma-convince. Nagtataka nga ako bakit kaya. And in the recent past, parang may fear. May fear ba siya na, sabi ko siguro nga, dahil ito sa nangyari noong December.
Kris, how is Bimbi? Naintindihan ba niya what's happening? At anong sinasabi niya sa'yo?
Yes, Jessica, he does understand everything. And that's what hurts me so much. Na nasasaktan ako na kailangan pagdaanan ng anak ko to. Yun yung alam ng mga sisters ko na nagkita kami dito nung kakadating ko. That's what made me break down. Because when I told my son na kailangan ko magsalita, ang sinasabi niya na siya na lang daw ang ituro ko. Mama, say it's Bimbi. Alam mo, Jessica, yung puso ko bilang nanay nadudurog nun dahil ayoko talagang pagdaanan ng anak ko to.
And as a result of this, I understand you're turning your back sa lahat ng trabaho mo sa TV and movies. Is that correct, Kris?
They're now reminding me that I do have contractual obligations. But more than any contractual obligation, may obligasyon ako bilang ina. kailangan niya ako eh. Hindi ko dapat sabihin ito, but we started counseling. And ayoko talaga na lumaki yung anak ko na pwedeng isisi sa akin na, Mama, tinan mo ko anong pinagdaanan ko nung bata ako. I just want to be able to face my son and look him in the eye and tell him, Mama did everything for you at lahat kinayang isakripisyo ni Mama para sa kabutihan mo.
I'm sorry, we're
Yes, I'm sorry
out of
also.
time.
I'm very sorry.
But Mel, magpa-plug na lang ako. We will continue this interview of live, no? Hindi na live, but mapapanood nila yung kabuuan sa State of the Nation mamaya sa GNTV.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Jessica Soho, at kay Chris Aquino at sa kanyang mga kapatid. Magandang gabi.